Hey friends, good morning. So it is still pretty early in the morning. I woke up 3:30 because today Sashi and Baabaa is going to have their I know field demonstration, yeah, sa school nila. So they need to be in school. Their call time is 7, so we need to get up early, and I need to get up first because I need to take a shower first and then prepare, and then I'll do their makeup. So yeah, it's 3:45 still, and I already done taking a shower, guys. So yun, it's going to be a long day today, and yeah, there will be a lot of activities sa school nila. So I'll just get ready and I will be back to you. Talang straight na ko. Natog na ka. Wanna play? Hi ba? Okay. Hi Lynn. Bata na sa gasri ba? Pretty kay si Baba. Nagalang tao. Wala ito na play. Oy, balik ka. Wala na ako na press ang play. Wow, hangin. I'm sorry, I don't know if you could hear me, guys. Wala pa yung turn nila Baabaa at Sashi. Ha? Reuse man to. Wow, Goldilocks and the Twiiter. Mapalayo pa siya para slim siya tanawon. Palayo ano para daon. Palayo ko kay wala na tong pilyan.
Gagis camera wa. Iya dali.
Yeah. Uwi na guys, tapos na. Nandito kami sa Imoy. So we're finally home. And wala na pala akong watch. So ayan, 12 noon na, and we're so sleepy. Nagpaiwan si Baba kasi gusto pa daw niya mag horror booth kasi may horror booth sa school. So yun, and yun lang guys. Ang init today, malakas yung hangin but it's so hot. Not raining anymore. I think kahapon lang yung last na rain. Now it's time for the hot weather. OMG. Grabe. I feel like I'm drunk. It seems like I'm drunk because I'm so sleepy. So I'll sleep muna guys, and I'll see you later. Alligators. And then yung monkey.